I will go and ask them, and I will reassure you that we are all here to help you, we here to support you, and we will try our best to help you in any kind of way.
Well, that's what would help me.
Yeah.
That is what I know will help me, having some time off work.
Move on to the next
Thank you
station.
so much. Hello, my name is Dr. Laraib, and I recently passed my PLAB 2 exam in my first attempt, and all of this was possible just because of Dr. Sarah and Dr. Avan and their efforts from day one till day last. They were really helpful. Other than that, the accommodation, the academy itself, all the manikins, SIMman, everything was up to date, and it was according to just like in real exam. And so I think so if anybody wants to pass this exam in their first attempt, MedAstra is one and only option, and I give MedAstra 5 stars, and it is highly recommended. Thank you.